students. In this video we are going to see the topic under for the model 1, which is complex variable 1. So under the complex variable we are going to see harmonic property. So before into that I just want to recall, so the last video we have seen for about the introduction of your complex variable and for analytic function, differentiability, and we have proved it for two theorem. What is that? It is nothing but Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form and Cartesian form. Okay, so now we are going to see the property of your CR equation, which is nothing but it is for harmonic function. So before into the property of harmonic function, first we must know the definition of your harmonic function. So what is the definition of harmonic function? A function pi is said to be a harmonic function if it satisfies Laplace equation del squared phi is equal to 0. In Cartesian form, like dou square phi by dou x squared plus dou square phi by dou y squared equal to 0. In polar form, dou square phi by dou r squared plus 1 by r into dou phi by dou r plus 1 by r squared into dou square phi by dou theta square, which is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the definition says? When the function you are telling it is a harmonic function means it should satisfy the Laplace equations. That means the second order derivative should be equal to 0. If it is in Cartesian form, it should be in the format of dou square phi by dou x square plus dou square phi by dou y square equal to 0. In polar form, which is nothing but it's supposed to be in this form. Okay, this equation should satisfy. Then you can tell the function of phi is harmonic. Okay, now we are into the harmonic property of your CR equations. The statement, the real and imaginary part of an harmonic functions are analytic functions are harmonic. So the statement is real and imaginary part of a analytic functions are harmonic. That means the real part and imaginary part, which is u and v in the, which is you are having f of z function, we should prove that it is a harmonic functions. Okay, so we'll go for the proof. So here in this video we are going to prove that both the method, even the Cartesian as well as in polar form. Okay, so first we'll go with the Cartesian form. So what is that? Let f of z is equal to u plus iv be the analytic. We shall show that u and v satisfies the Laplace equations. Then only we can tell your f of z is a harmonic, isn't it? So first we can go with the equations. The Laplacian equation, what is that? Dou square phi by dou x squared plus dou square phi by dou y squared equal to 0. Since f of z is analytic and we have CR equation, as per the definition, what is that? F of z is analytic means it should satisfy the CR equation. Okay, so what is the CR equation in Cartesian? It is nothing but dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. We can mark in equation number 1. And then dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. We are going to mark in equation number 2. So now to prove it is a harmonic, I should find my second order differentiation, right? So what is that? Differentiate with respect to x in equation number 1 and y in equation number 2 partially. So I'm going to do the partial differentiation with respect to x and y for equation 1 and 2 respectively. So what will happen? You can see that dou by dou x of dou u by dou x will go dou squared u by dou x squared. So in the right side, dou by dou x of dou v by dou y will be dou squared v by dou x dou y. And similar, in equation number 2, I can take a differentiation in partially with respect to y. What will happen? Dou squared v by dou y dou x, which is equal to minus dou squared u by dou y square. But as per we know for the partial differentiations, what is that? Dou squared v by dou x dou y, it should be equal for dou squared v by dou y dou x. So both the equations here, this is equal to this equation. So I can equate this left side to that right side. What is that? Dou squared u by dou x squared equal to minus of dou squared u by dou y squared. This term you can take to the left side it will become a plus. So dou squared u by dou x squared plus dou squared u by dou y squared equal to 0. Therefore, this is satisfied here. Laplace equation, isn't it? So I can tell u is a harmonic. So we have told that real part is harmonic. Now we have to tell for imaginary part. So what is that? Again, equation number 1 we are doing in the, now we are going to interchange. The first equation differentiate with respect to y, and the second equation we are going to differentiate with respect to x in partially. So what will happen? So what is the first equations? With respect to y, dou squared u by dou y dou x, right? So which is equal to, I will get dou squared v by dou y squared. And then second equation with respect to x. What is that? Dou squared v by dou x squared is equal to minus dou squared u by dou x dou y. Okay. So but now again the definition, what is that? Dou squared u by dou y dou x should be equal to dou squared u by dou x dou y. This minus to be taken this term to the left side. Okay. So now what will happen? Dou squared v by dou y squared equal to minus of dou squared v by dou x squared. So that term, minus term, take to the left side. It will become a plus. So dou squared v by dou y squared plus dou squared u by dou x squared equal to 0. Therefore, v is your harmonic. So as per the definition, we have proved it. U and v is a harmonic. Therefore, the Cartesian form is satisfied. F of z is a harmonic function, right? So now we are going to prove, and therefore the like using the CR equation, we are going to prove that it will be having a harmonic property under for polar form. So what is that first one? F of z you are supposed to take in terms of u and v, which is r and theta, right? U of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta b, and I will take, and we shall show that u and v satisfy the Laplace equations, that is dou square phi by dou r square plus 1 by r dou phi by dou r plus 1 by r square dou square phi by dou theta square, which is equal to 0. So as per the Laplacian definition. So we have CR equations in polar form. So what is that? R into, actually it is written in 1 by r, this r to be taken to the other side. So I can write it r into dou u by dou r is equal to dou v by dou theta. I can mark in equation number 1. And r into dou v by dou r is equal to minus dou u by dou theta. This I am marking in equation number 2. So what I am going to do that, I am going to take a partial differentiation with respect to r in equation number 1 and theta in equation number 2 partially. So what I will get, when you go with respect to r, it's supposed to be in the product, right? So r is a variable, dou u by dou r also is a variable. I should use the product rule. So r into dou squared u by dou r square plus dou u by dou r into r differentiation will be 1, okay, which is equal to dou squared, the term which you have it here, dou squared v by dou r dou theta, and similar second equation, r into dou squared v by dou theta dou r is equal to minus of dou squared u by dou theta square. So this r you can take to the right side, and as per the as per the PDE, I can write it. What is it? Dou squared v by dou r dou theta, which is equal to dou squared v by dou theta dou r. So you can equate these two equations. What I'll get? R into dou squared u by dou r squared plus dou u by dou r, and then which is equal to this r to be written in the right side. So I'll get minus 1 by r dou squared u by dou theta square. So I'm going to divide by r because to get your, what is that? To get your polar form of your Laplacian equation. So divide by r, I'll get dou squared u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared u by dou theta square equal to 0. So I can prove that here the real part in the polar form is a harmonic. And to prove it here imaginary part, I can interchange it. So again, differentiate with respect to theta in equation number 1 and equation number 2 with respect to r partially. So what I will get? R into dou squared u by dou theta dou r is equal to dou squared v by dou theta square. But here I will be having in terms of product rule, right? So r into dou squared u by dou r square, then plus dou v by dou r into the r differentiation will be 1, okay, which is equal to minus dou squared u by dou r dou theta. But as per the PDE, what is that? Dou squared u by dou theta dou r should be equal to dou squared u by dou r dou theta. So I can write it 1 by r from this equation. 1 by r dou squared v by dou theta squared equal to minus of this term completely will come r into dou squared v by dou r squared plus dou v by dou r. So again divide by r and take to the left side to this minus term, it will become plus. So you have reached here, what is that? Dou squared v by dou r square plus 1 by r dou v by dou r plus 1 by r square dou squared v by dou theta squared equal to 0. V is harmonic. So real and imaginary part in terms of polar also we have proved it. So I can tell the CR equations will be having a harmonic functions or harmonic property. Okay. Thank you.